In the cave of Daedalus, the cunning wizard mixes a mysterious brew.
Now, Vito, a pinch of earth from the Lernian forest. No, Vito, this is not for cats. Wait here, little friend. I must go now and test the brew. You will do fine. It works. It works. The brew has given me the strength of 1,000 men. Now, to put my strength to good use. So you have no money, eh? I'll teach you to lie to me.
High on Mount Olympus, home of the mighty Hercules, the grim scene is observed by the seer Daedalus on his crystal rock.
You must stop Daedalus, Hercules, but take care. So long as his feet touch the Lernian soil, his great strength increases.
So does mine, Daedalus, when I put on my magic ring. Let's go, Newton.
That's me! That's me!
And so to the Lernian forest hurtles the mighty Hercules to meet the challenge of his archenemy.
There he is, Herc. There he is.
Yes, here I am, the new master of Lerna. And if you value your life, Hercules, you'll clear off.
I'll take my chances, Daedalus.
So will I. So will I.
Come right ahead. Here's another sample of my new strength, Hercules.
You'll have to do better than that, Daedalus.
That I will.
Suffering psyche. What do we do? What do we do?
Somehow we must get that wizard's feet off the ground so he'll lose his strength.
It'll take more than you, Hercules.
Understand, Newton?
I got it. I got it.
Daedalus!
Defying me again, Hercules? You won't get off so easily this time. Let me down! Let me down!
I will, Daedalus, once we're out of this forest.
Join us at his side, standing there with pride. Victory is here, raise a mighty cheer at the side of Hercules.